Hey, welcome back, guys. Just a quick video on a new project restore I'm going to do. I picked up this awesome, I can't tell you how awesome I feel having this car as a rebuild. This belonged to a guy that his grandfather, probably not much older than me, um, raced back in the early days. It was set up for oval, and so interesting on this build. It was done right, and from what he tells me, his grandfather was an engineer and worked for like the Ohio, I think it was Ohio or state transportation, I think, something like that. And he designed a lot of his own parts too. And I've never seen this before. I've never seen this setup with this with the vertical. I'm sorry, the horizontal line of the shocks. And there's no wheels on it, but guys, it works. Like, it's so smooth, you know. So what I did was I told him that I would restore this car in his in memory of his grandfather. I'm gonna keep this exact car the way it is, and I'm gonna re-dye everything or clean it up with peroxide, the usual, and keep it stock. And then I've got another one that I'm gonna donate with the same arms, same year, that I'm gonna make as a copy that I'm gonna run, because I'm not gonna run this one. I think I'm just gonna build it and just copy the CNC parts for the shock mount. But look at the back mount. You know, these aren't horizontal, but what a unique way to use this front bumper. It's like the body mount. You know, this is just Kydex that you can, you cut and then you warm up and you bend. But it's perfectly done so you can mount his body on there. I really wish I seen the body for it. Excuse me. So, but man, look at the suspension in the back. Guys, it works. It works with the wheels on it. There's so much travel and it's free. It's just really nice. The diff is in perfect shape. Even the spur is not flexed at all. It's got a stealth. Doesn't have a gasket, so I'll put one of my gaskets on there. But it's got CVs. It's got better axles and stuff, so I'm kind of excited about that. And in the front, same thing. So it's got all the newer 90 plus parts on it, and horizontal. I keep saying vertical, but it's so solid and it works. But it's in really good shape. You know, the RPM bumpers are really clean. It's not beat up really bad at all. And even the chassis doesn't look too bad. I'm going to sand it down and recoat it and everything. But it is an original chassis. So, yeah, it's just fabulous, man. I really enjoy looking at this thing. I just imagine how it's going to look with all the parts cleaned up. That's going to be it. I think I'm just going to build it. I'm going to make a duplicate and run it because I really want to see this thing drive, you know. And I think it'd be great to rebuild this in his grandfather's memory. I guess he inherited a lot of RC stuff. He's keeping a lot, but this was one that he decided to get rid of. And to be honest with you, it's one of those cars that has come into my life now that's got me a little bit in touch with my youth from racing all these years. So I'm really excited about this build, guys. I'm gonna document this one in the restore, and yeah, that's interesting. I love it. I love looking at it. The suspension, everything is solid. There's no rust. It's just like it's been in a time capsule, you know. That's about it. But everything is solid and just built right. He showed me some pictures of some other things he designed, like some transmissions. Amazing stuff. This guy was pretty smart. But for oval setup, you know, this was set up. But everything is just moves great. God, I love it. So yeah, keep an eye on this one, guys. I'm going to do a series build on it, restore. Excuse me. And then hopefully I'll finish it up before too long. So like, subscribe, hit that notification. Thanks, guys. I can't even talk.